Most people, when they see AI, they just see the really surface level work that people do, which is you go on the software, you type a prompt, you have a beautiful image. Yeah, but this is the most basic way of using it. But I've seen some incredible artists create some artwork that was just not possible before. In Montreal, there is a lot of street art, so I know which area I should go to capture that. I was holding my giant selfie stick, slowly working towards the art. I was trying different directions, different angles, going towards the art, going backwards, going side to side. I just scrub around the 360 landscape and I try to see what actually catches my attention. I'm editing a scene, the rotation, the zoom in, the transition. Whenever this scene is pretty much picture locked, that's when I decide to export that scene as an image sequence. I basically take these images and I upload them one by one into DALL-E, and I select my area that I want to modify and I type the prompt and I export that. I just overlay that on top of my original edit. I call it Hyperlapse X AI. To me, it kind of felt like it was poetic somehow because it was showcasing Montreal in such a beautiful way.